this is Sana and you are watching Sana Vogue. So in this video I'm going to create a Latina makeup. Actually Latina makeup is trending nowadays. So first I'm going to see what is Latina makeup in Google. So wait. Latina makeup is bold makeup style that features defined eyes, sharp eyebrows, full lips and highlighted cheekbones. Basically it's a bold makeup look. They are telling we have to define our eyes. So my eyes is big, so I'm gonna define my eyes with a big lashes today. First, as usual, basics. I'm gonna apply the moisturizer. Moisturizer is from Foxtail. I have already reviewed about this moisturizer. Actually quite good moisturizer for this winter climate and also for oily skins. Actually what, I'm always late for trend. After many long days I'm creating this video. I think after 25 days I'm creating this video. I'm not going out, so I'm not going to apply a sunscreen. I'm directly moving on to this orange corrector which is from Miss Claire. It's orange full makeup coverage foundation. I'm going to hide my pigmentation with this orange corrector, taking some amount of corrector on my finger and applying here. Okay, I have done orange corrector, can you see? Now let's set this orange cream corrector with loose powder. As usual, this is how I set my orange corrector. The loose powder which I am using is Mars Trend Setting Loose Powder. Just going to set this. Now I'm going to apply foundation. It's from Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation. The shade is Coffee 14, which is actual shade for my skin tone. I always like this Nykaa's All Day Matte Foundations formula. Very lightweight foundation. This is a Damn Beauty blender. This blender is from Nykaa. Now it's time to apply concealer. For concealer, I'm gonna use this Bobbi Brown Skin Full Coverage Concealer. The shade is Walnut. Actually, I rarely use this concealer, and I have already shown this concealer on my video, that SEPHORA haul video. I'm going to apply it on my eyeliner, this place, little bit on. Now I'm going to use setting spray on this foundation before loose powder. Now leave it for some time, this will dry. Now it's time to set this foundation, concealer, orange corrector with some beautiful loose powder. The loose powder which I'm going to use is matte loose powder, Fit Me Matte from Maybelline. The shade is Deep 30. I have already used many times. I'm using this triangular sponge and taking this loose powder like this. Remove excess. Again, take this loose powder and do it like this. I have set my face with this loose powder. Now I'm going to apply some eyeshadows, like subtle eyeshadow. For that I'm going to use this Moira palette, You Are Blooming Like the Perfect Flower, this palette. And this I'm going to use this shade 4, this shade. Just I'm going to blend all over my eyes with this shade. This is very pigmented palette actually. Okay, now I have changed my plan. I'm using this on my crease. This much is enough. I'm going to apply this shade always on my lids, inner lids and outer lids. I hope this will give some lighter effect. So for that I'm using this flat brush. Now it's time to place this bloom shade. It's kind of light yellow. This bloom shade on my inner lids. Using the same flat brush like this way. Okay. Now I want some shimmer look. So for that I'm using this. I'm going to use this beauty shade. I'm very confused today. This is kind of copper. Again, I'm taking this flower shade which is very lighter in shade. Lighter means lighter shimmer shade. Placing in inner lid. Now I'm going to apply these shades in this side. So, okay, I have done this eyes, only eyeshadow part. Now going to apply eyeliner with wing. Okay, I think I have created this bold eyeliner. Now going to apply mascara. Mascara, here I'm using this Mars Double Trouble mascara. First I'm using this step 1 to make longer lashes. Before I'm going to fix lashes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Okay, now it's time to fix lashes. All the lashes are bold lashes only. This lash brand name is Liz. I have bought it from Amazon in offer. Let's try this one. I think this lash will go with this. I'm having this misclass adhesive, eyelash adhesive. This misclass eyelash adhesive is black in shade. This is how it looks. Keep it aside for a few seconds. Put little more adhesive in the corners. Okay, meanwhile let's apply kajal. Today I'm going to use a different color kajal. I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty's pink kajal because my eye look is a little bit pinkish. So I'm going to use this pink kajal in my lower waterline. I think this pink is not giving a bright look, so I'm going with a white kajal. This is white kajal. It's from NYB on this Huda Beauty's pink. I think that is not a kajal, that is lip liner. My bad. Now I'm going to do an inner sharp line, that is inner corner. Again, I'm taking the step 1 from Mars. Now it's time to stick lashes. Hope. Hey guys, I'm back with my full makeup done. Actually what here, electricity is gone and also my battery was exhausted. So I did my full makeup in off cam. So now it's a complete look. For this look, I kept my blush and highlighter a little bit brighter. You can see here. And for lips, I usually do like this only. This is a brown lipstick from Swiss Beauty. It's a soft lip cream, and lip liner is also from Swiss Beauty. It's a dark chocolate. So this is the combo which go with this look. Yeah, this is my overall look. Hope you like it. So yeah, this is a Latina makeup look. Actually, it's a bold eye, bold lips, bold high bones, cheekbones, and also I'm wearing a bold necklace. It's a wooden necklace, and this stud I recently bought it from a local store. So this is also a wooden, so this earrings go with this neck piece. So yeah. So yeah, transition look is on my Instagram and shorts. You can check it out from there. So yeah, this is the trendy makeup look which I created in this video. Hope you like it. Bye bye. Let's meet you on next video. Bye.